You can see that is the mountain Salib. At the back there, it's, it's really beautiful. It's France. That's already part of France at the back of that mountain. This mountain is France over here and the west. It's big mountain. If I'm able to go to Sural, it's very wide and lots of this like this you can see. But even here you can find lots also. Look, the people are walking with their dogs at this time. They live here in this area. The airplane passing by. I cannot take a photo because you know it's against the sun. Now it's 8 o'clock in the evening, but still have sun because it's going to be summer. But still, call it spring. That's why the next will come is sunflower like this, also yellow. It's really more wide and wide, also same and the other places. But I'm still in part of Geneva, but not much as we can see outside in the farm. But anyway, still big. Look on the other side also. Look at that. It's big also and wide. Yep. I think I'm going to go there. I'm here now taking these beautiful flowers to make it, they make it oil, vegetable oil. Look, it's so beautiful. Now they're slowly getting dry. In few days it will be vanished, ready for harvest. This is very close to Geneva. This is part of Geneva. Rural area. Anyway, even in Geneva, it's full of farmers. Vegetables, any different kind of vegetables you can find it while you are in the bus. It's very beautiful city, country. It's not full, lots of place to plant. making oil. This is already ready for plant. The sunflower. Ito ang pangalawang area, wala na. Ayan ang eroplano. Dumaan. Yan. Kasi wala ang araw.